Here we have an absolutely incredible example of a 2016 Ford Focus RS, finished in the beautiful nitrous blue exterior paintwork. Now we've got four 19-inch black forged alloy wheels, which are in excellent condition, with the Michelin Pilot Super Sport tyres on all corners as well. The Brembo calipers just behind. Coming around to the front, we've got the RS badging just there, and it's a good point to say this vehicle has only had 2 owners from new. Both have looked after it meticulously well. We've then got our second alloy wheel, again excellent condition. Taking a step back, we've got the colour coded wing mirrors and door handles, privacy glass and black trim around the windows. We've then got our spoiler just here, again with RS badging. Now coming to the back, we do have reversing sensors on this vehicle, as well as a reversing camera just there as well. We've then got our dual exit exhaust and a very good size boot just there too. Now, as you can see, the vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. We've then got our last alloy wheel there as well. Now going on to the interior, we do have the Recaro seats throughout. As you can see just here, we've got this lovely blue stitching to match the exterior paintwork as well. We've got ISO fixed points within the seats. We've got some additional storage in the middle. On the doors here, we've got the integrated speakers. We've got brushed metal handle, electric windows and storage cubbies. We've got 1, 2, 3. Same on the other side as well. Now going into the front, we've got these incredible Recaro seats. As you can see here, the Sport Shell Sport seats. Again, with the blue stitching, these do look incredible. On the doors here, we've got the uprated Sony sound system. If that goes into focus just there. We've then got our brushed metal handle, lock and unlock buttons, electric power folding wing mirrors, electric window control with child lock for the back as well. We've then got the extra storage there too. Now stepping inside, we have got our auto lights on the right. Close the door up and start the vehicle up, foot on the clutch and the brake. There we go. As you can see, the vehicle has covered just over 15,600 miles and is free from any warning lights on the dashboard. Now we've then got our multifunctional steering wheel, so we've got different controls whilst we're on the go. We've also got speed limiter and cruise control as an optional extra on this vehicle. On the left here, we do have a suspension button, so if I press on that, there you go, you can see just there we have just initiated the sport suspension. And you may have just heard we do have dash cams for both front and rear, which tell us when they start recording as well.
Starting normal recording.
There you go. Now moving on to the left, we've got the gauges up at the top just there. We've then got our infotainment screen just here, incredibly easy to use. We've got the navigation, as you can see just then. We've then got our radio, different sources, AM, FM, DAB, CD or Bluetooth. We've got phone connectivity for making calls or listening to music. I'll just flick through those settings there for you as well. We do have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as well in this vehicle. There we go. Now if I put the vehicle into reverse, you'll see we do have both the reversing camera and the reversing sensors just there as well with the visual display. Moving down, we've then got our stereo controls as well as hazard lights. Moving down, we've got our dual climate zone controls, so you can control each side of the vehicle's temperature independently. We've then got some additional storage, 12 volt connectivity, 12 volt USB connectivity, traction control, drive mode. So we can flick through different drive modes with this vehicle. Now I try and avoid this on there. We've got normal, sports, racetrack and of course drift as well. Lots of nice options for you to play around with there. We've then got the start stop technology. We've got 2 good sized cup holders underneath here, and we do have our leather armrest which also doubles up as storage there as well. Now the vehicle is ready to drive away today with free next day nationwide contactless delivery, competitive low finance, a fresh service, a fresh MOT, and it's also HPI clear. That's all from me on this video. Thank you for watching. Video test drive of this Ford Focus RS. The purpose of this video today is to show you that the vehicle drives exactly how you would expect it to. for example now, I'm not having to wrestle with the steering wheel to keep it in a straight line. I'll also go through some of the vehicle's functions and demonstrate that they work exactly how you would expect it to. Starting off, we've got our cruise control, so I'll activate that by pressing cruise, then press up, and we are now cruising at the assigned speed. To then deactivate this, I'll simply press cancel and we're back to normal. We've then got our 6-speed gearbox, so I'm currently in 5th gear. We do have a visual display on the dashboard there telling us when to change up or down. So I'll change up into 6th, down back into 5th, down into 4th, and then back into 5th. And as you can tell from my body movements and the surroundings outside, completely seamless transitions, no knocks, bangs of any kind, changing exactly how you would expect it to. Now we're just slowing down for the roundabout where I'll be taking that left turn as if you were here with us today. But I cannot express enough how clean this vehicle is. For the age of it, it's absolutely incredible. It's almost like having a brand new car. And it's got a lot of specs options on it as well. Really great all rounder. You've got an incredible amount of performance, 0 to 60 in around 4.6 seconds. So it is a very fun car, and especially with the driving modes, including the drift mode. So if you're brave enough, again, a very fun feature to have. A lot of fun can be had in this vehicle, but it's also practical as well. Now, here at RS Car Sales, we have been doing deliveries for the last 3 to 4 years, as well as free next day nationwide deliveries for the last 1.5 years. So although the COVID-19 situation has had a huge effect on many businesses, and still is doing to this day, we feel that we're quite well prepared. So we have adjusted our delivery ever so slightly now to make it contactless. And what this means is we'll sanitize our hands, we'll sanitize the keys, and we'll just do an extra thorough clean of the vehicle before delivering it to yourself. Basically just to ensure your own safety and ours. We are a 5-star dealership. If you look online, we have got over 300 5-star reviews on Google and Autotrader alone, as well as many others on other sites like Car Gurus. So if you go online, check out these reviews, you'll see that our customers really do reiterate the fact we are a dealership that cares. We really do want you to have such a good buying experience from ourselves that you would recommend us to your friends, to your family, and even come back to us when the time is due for your next vehicle purchase. Now you can find us on social media as well. We're on both Instagram and Facebook, so make sure to follow us on those platforms to keep up to date with all the latest stock we get in and see what we get up to at RS Car Sales. Now I'm just about to take a right turn into the industrial park where I'll perform an emergency brake in 3, 2, 1. As you can tell, extremely sharp brakes, working exactly how they should. We've got our reversing camera just there with sensors. And yeah, exactly how you should. I'm not going to be able to reverse much as the car has just pulled in behind me. But this is usually where you'd be extremely happy with the vehicle. You'd want to come inside, see what kind of deal you could work out. Obviously, that isn't possible at the moment due to the COVID-19 situation. However, do get in touch. Part exchanges are welcome. Just let us know the make, model and condition of the vehicle you're wishing to part exchange. And if there is anything we have missed in either the online photos, the video walk around or this test drive, then again, get in touch. One of the team would be more than happy to do a FaceTime call with yourself, walk around the car, show you the condition of everything, show you the components, specific components, show you how anything works, and really just show you what the car has to offer. But until then, that's all from me. Thank you for watching.